welcome and welcome back again to your channel, Kid Foods, a channel of easy recipes, modern recipes, African traditional recipes, breakfast tips and ideas. Guys, if you're told you're new in this channel, please consider viewing my videos. If you love them, give them a like, share and subscribe. Remember also to switch your notification bell so that whenever I post any new videos, you'll be among the first people to view my videos. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I don't take it for granted. I'm back with some breakfast idea, not really full breakfast, but some snack which can help you take your breakfast. So I know I've done pancakes in this channel, so today I'm going to do crepes. In fact, it's not just crepes, just flavored, tasty crepes. So kindly watch this video until the end. My crepes, these are the ingredients I have. I have some carrots, I have some live fresh coriander, I have my 2 eggs here, I have some sugar, I have some 2 cups of milk, I'm going to use some vinegar here, and I have 1 all-purpose flour. I also have salt to taste, so this is it. So guys, I'll start by cutting my coriander. And guys, for this crepe, when you're using coriander, make sure you cut them tiny. You can just see how tiny they are. So these are the coriander stems. I'm starting with coriander stems. Make sure they are very, very, very tiny, the way I'm doing this. So that's why I prefer using coriander. So you can also use spring onions if you so wish, or you can also use mashed capsicum or green bell pepper. But for me, I love it with coriander. Transfer your coriander. So next, I'm going to grate my carrots. So first peel them off first. The carrots, you need to grate them. You can either blend them because they have to be fine, or you can use hand to grate them. And guys, when you're using this, you don't just choose this one because it will give some tiny and soft carrots. So instead of using these other ones, because these ones are just too big, remember this for crepes, it will tear the crepes. So what you do, you use this one. My carrots, blended carrots. So I'll start by mixing. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add in my grated carrots, my coriander, 2 tablespoons of sugar, quarter salt. I will beat in my eggs, my 2 eggs, vinegar, two tablespoons of vinegar. Then I will add in my milk. So guys, that's how I'm going to mix my things. Remember guys, I have another 1 cup of milk here, just in case. And guys, when you're making crepes, that's very, very different from pancakes. It has to be very, very, very light. even water. It has to be very, very, very thin. The dough has, this is for pancake, yes, but remember guys, we are making crepes. Look at it, has to be this. Even this one is still heavy. The consistency has to be very, very light. But I will still continue stirring a little water. And guys, the color is this because of the carrots. You can see my corianders are also, I like corianders can also be seen in here. This is very, very, very tasty. Can you try? So guys, I'll place my pan. And when you're making crepes, just don't put a lot of oil. Then this is my dough, sorry. This is done. Look at my crepe. So stay tuned, guys. Continue the same way, guys. Once you do that, you make sure you spread your pan to ensure that it's well distributed. Then when you're cooking it, make sure you find even the other part of it cooks well before you turn it. So just wait and see how I'm going to turn it. So guys, at this time now you can turn it. So guys, I'll continue the same way, so stay tuned. If you want to make your turning them easy, you have to shake your pan. If you see it moving swiftly, it means that now it is done. So just be gentle and then turn the other side. My crepes. So first of all, look at the other side with coriander. Look at this. So this is that one that even if you fold it this way, it cannot tear. So this is how to make tasty crepes. So I have quite a number, you can see. So guys, you can use this for breakfast. You can use it just as a snack. So let me just serve it and see. So carrots have made the color look so yummy and attractive. Oh, So guys, look at this. Just taste it, you can see. So nice, so tasty. So guys, look at this. Flavored crepes. Can you try this out, guys? Thank you so much for watching this. Let's meet on another video. So guys, look at this. These are my crepes. Looking so nice. This is the color of carrots, grated carrots and some coriander in. You can also serve it this way. Guys, look at that. Look at this. Oh, so nice, so tasty. Flavored crepes. Can you try this out, guys? Thank you so much for watching this. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.